Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you a summertime treat, and this drink is really healthy for you. It's a really delicious low-fat summertime treat, and I like to do this kind of drink during the summertime because it's a summery, light, refreshing and cool smoothie, and it's perfect for the summer morning or as a snack. And it's so simple to make, and it's refreshing and satisfying. So there are a couple of ingredients that you will be using today in order to make this watermelon smoothie. First of all, you have to cut up some watermelon, and you also need some ice cubes and 1 cup of milk. You can use 2%, 1%, or regular milk. It's optional, and you will also need a blender. So I already went ahead and I cut up all my watermelon here. So now I'm just going to dice the watermelon into small pieces. And a lot of times, people like to add some sugar to their smoothies, but if you pick a very good watermelon at the store, it's not necessary to add any sugar because the watermelon itself, it'll be really sweet. So I picked the watermelon that's really sweet, so I am not going to add any sugar to my smoothie. So this would be just a really simple smoothie to make. And now that the summertime is here, this is a great smoothie to have at any time. And it just requires a couple of minutes to make this. It's not a lot of work. And when you choose your watermelons, make sure that you get one that's seedless. That way you don't have all those seeds in your smoothie. And for this smoothie, it actually serves about 2 to 3 people. Okay guys, now I'm ready to proceed by putting my ingredients into my blender. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is the watermelon that I diced. Okay, so now the next ingredient that I will be adding to the blender would be 1 cup of milk. And the last thing that I would be adding to the blender would be the ice cubes. Now there's 2 ways you can do this. First, you can blend in the milk with the watermelon, and then at the end, you can add your ice cubes. So actually, I'm going to do that first. I'm going to blend in the milk and the watermelon first for about 15 seconds. Alright, once all the ingredients are mixed in, and then I am going to add the ice cubes. The ice cubes is optional. If you don't want to add the ice cubes, that's okay, but this is just to make it really nice and cold, even though you're going to put it in the refrigerator. But to add a little ice to your smoothie, I think it's a wonderful idea. And now I'm going to blend the ice cubes along with the other ingredients for about 15 seconds. Okay, the smoothie is all blended in. It's ready to be served. So like I said, this serves about 2 to 3 people. And there is the watermelon smoothie. It came out really good. It smells good too. So now you can enjoy your watermelon smoothie for the summertime, or you can have it at any time. Well, thank you guys so much for watching me today. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't done so. And thank you guys out there for all my subscribers that have subscribed to my channel. I will be making some more videos here very soon, so I will keep you posted. So don't forget to click on that notification button. Enjoy your watermelon smoothie. Take care. Bye.